Very good morning, friends. It is a brief video how you can connect this data, this screener data to the Excel sheet. I'm just going to make a video for that. First, you need to open whatever the screener you have made on the charting and open it. And what you can do is just click on this link, right? Right click, copy. What I'm doing is I'm copying this URL. 1 minute. Copying this URL, and what I'm doing is I'm opening the Excel sheet here. New blank workbook. You click on the insert data. From there, formulas. Let me go to the formulas. Date and time. Data. Yes. You have to go to the data. You have to click on from web. Just you are getting this dialog box. So you paste this charting screener, click OK. So now, after that, you are going to get display option. So if you click on so many tables will come. So if you click on this, it's working. It's not working. Yeah, 1 minute. Hold on. It is taking time. So if you click on this, there will be a table view will come. I don't know why it is taking time. Select multiple items. Okay. Let me click on this table 3. Let us check. We are getting all these things. See, if you scroll it, stock name you are getting, symbol you are getting, percentage change you are getting, and price you are getting, volume. That is enough for us. So we will click on the table, this table form, table 3. Then let me drop down. Load. This is how you got the data directly from the angle, from the screener. What you can do is you can save, go to save, and you can save it anywhere you want on your computer. Let me go back. Go back. Once you save this, whenever you want, whenever you open the Excel sheet, morning, around 9:20 or 9:15, you click on the data again, you click on refresh all. So once you click on the refresh all, it will refresh and everything it will give. And morning, actually, you will get so many stocks in the market. Instead of getting so many stocks, you see this is Tata Elxsi has come, Emphasis has come, L&T Finance has come. So Gale has come, Divi's Laboratories has come. So you can select few stocks and put it into the template. Template means whatever we have made for 5-minute strategy, the indicator, and also you can put into volatility vortex also. That is Bollinger Band and Keltner channel you can put, and you can trade. Actually, if you click on the volume data, see Tata Elxsi is not that much volume. Even though that much volume is not there, see, it has given a very good, appreciation, more than 7% or something. Why it is giving like this percentage change? Yeah, you can see the price over here, and you can see, let me refresh all again. So you are getting these stocks. So you need to save it, and not the volume is important. So you can, with the less volume also, some stocks will give you very good appreciation. So sometimes what happens in, if it is too much volume, like Gale came with the too much volume, what happened is it runs up very fast, and through the time cycle, it goes horizontal, no price change. It becomes hard for the traders to take the trade. They will make mistake. So select the stocks from the beginning around 9:20, 9:20, the data starts fetching. There, if it is doing something, you can open this one. Here you can make out how many stocks have come, like that. Okay. You can make it for another screener for like this to connect to the, let me put a sheet one, next sheet. Let us see whether, 1 minute, hold on. Let me go to the charting screener. Let me select my, this one, 66.6. This one. This is the screen. Let me copy this URL. Copy. Let me come back to the same. Let me come back to the same thing. Sheet, another one. Select the data from web. Copy, paste it. Paste the URL. Say OK. So now we'll see whether this table 3 options, table 3 is enough, I think. I'll click on the table 3. So go to the down and put load. You got the data from square root here. So you can compare both the things. Here you got Just Dial, Tata Elxsi. Here also you got Tata Elxsi. There are so many other stocks. Other than Trent, you got Tata Technology has got, Tech Mahindra you got. And here in this angle 45, that is based on this screener is based on the first 5 minutes, and you are getting the later you are not going to get these stocks. Actually, once you get this, you have got Gale, TV Slab, Trent, Cholamandalam, Emphasis, Bandhan Bank. So you can compare both the things and see if this stock is Tata Elxsi is coming over here, and even if the Tata Elxsi is in the 0.66, then it is a strong stock. Strong stock means you are screening for first 5 minute angle and also 0.66 from the previous day, 0.26 and 0.66 breakout stocks, that is 5 days breakout stocks. So it is confirmation. So like this, you can compare and confirm. And next step, what you can do is, let me take you to the chart. So I got Tata Elxsi in both first 5 minutes. Okay. I'll type it over here. Tata Elxsi stocks. Let me put space over here. Then I'll get the proper this one. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Okay. So if I go back, just zoom in. You are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days breakout. This is a 5-day, even the weekly breakout. This is what we consider in 0.66 and 0.26. Okay. The first criteria is okay. And the second thing is, I'll reset chart. Here it is giving a angle 45. That is next screener for me. First 5 minutes, whether it is turning out or not. The thing is, what we are dividing the first 5 minutes into equal. So even this also I've designed to make it as a first 5 minutes as a circle, and I've tweaked the FIB tool for 0.26 and 0.66. In my previous video, I've explained this, how to do that. You can do it on that. So fix this 0.9 and minus 0.9. That means a circle's boundary. You can see circle boundary. Let me take this. Where are my tools? I'm not able to see the tools. Let me go to the tool. Let me put the circle over here. Starting from the 0, I'm putting the circle. You can see the price next candle dipping only to the 0.66, just 0.66, and then taking off. So you can take the, you can go to the corresponding. Now the value is 4,980. You can go to 5,000 or 5,100 call option, and you can trade in that. I hope this is the way you can double check and transfer the data. You can compare it and compare it whether it is appearing in the both the things, and you can do the trade. Next stock, it came in, Divi's Laboratory came in both, I think. Let me check whether Divi came in the both the things. Let me open the screener. First, let me go. Trend has come, emphasis has come, Divis has not come in this. Divis has come in 0.66. So let us check emphasis and pyramid enterprises, both the things. Whether these things have come in that. Okay. Bandhan Bank, L&T Finance, Birlas of Trent has come. Trent has come, and then Piramal Enterprises has come, not Divis. Okay. So let me go there, go back to the chart. Piramal Enterprises. Yes, Piramal Enterprises also, you can see, if you put you prepare yourself, first 5 minutes, it's a beautiful. And also it has come in the 5 days breakout. You can see it consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and it is above the 5th day breakout. That means it is a weekly breakout combined with a 5-minute angle. So we are screening for 2 things because the 5-minute is very important for us. It should not go horizontal. It should not pick up immediately. See, that is the problem actually. If it starts moving, you cannot pick it up. See, this Piramal Enterprises, I'm taking it as an example and I'm finishing it off. And another stock, Gale had come. Gale had come. See, how will you trade this type of stocks? Even though it is 0.66, it is huge candle. And by the time you analyze and enter into the stocks throughout the intraday session, it has gone horizontal and it is not suitable for option trading at all. You cannot enter into it. So you should select this type of stocks like Tata Elxsi. Because see, there is room for that. Even though this candle is big, there was room. It was within the range. It has not gone out of the range. See, within the range, it is making a big candle and it is trying to move out. And the next candle, it is showing the angle support. It is moving. Next cycle, it is moving. Then you can anticipate you can put the circle over here, 1, 2. This is a simple way, measured moves. These are all measured moves. So you can anticipate for 1:2 or 1:3. It has completed because the market ran up so much. So it has completed 3 cycles. Like this, you can select the stocks and you should not get confused by so many stocks coming up. You can filter out. Here, volume is not the concern. With the less volume also, the stocks are picking up. With the high volume stocks, what happens? They run up very fast. Then they will go for sideways movement. That is not suitable for us. Okay. Just select screen for both the things. You came to know how to transfer this data, link this data to Excel sheet, and you can refresh. Why Excel sheet? If it comes to Excel sheet, you can compare and you will have clarity in the mind. So which one is coming, you can see clearly and you can do that. I hope this video helps you in a very good way to decide for which stock to enter and how you can connect the data, link the data to Excel sheet. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.